Hey guys, what's going on? It's TCARP. All right, another rendition of I just bought 5 acres and what now? Got to mow it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump up the tires. Again, I've been using this Eaton Wolf quite a bit for this. I've got a $3,000 Super Z, and it's been rebuilt. It's got a 31 horsepower Kawasaki on it. It's a good little thing. Got it for $3,000, and I'm going to go through and again, it's got a few things wrong with it, but that's what you get when you get a rebuilt mower. But I'm going to use this Eaton Wolf. I have not charged this thing, and you guys have seen me do this multiple times. I'm just going to be quicker. Go. There's that. Got these tires here. Just kind of backup tires and stuff like that for the trailer. Let's see. So the mower runs good, but as you can tell, it has a little bit of issues starting. Got to work on it, but so far it's been so good. I've got these 5 acres to mow, and we want to get that done. We've got to get a dirt pad and got to get stuff done. We've got our neighbors. They are building way over there, and we've got another neighbor over here, and then we got 50 acres behind us. But so far so good. Let me get this mowed, and I'll talk to you a little bit later. All right, so if you can't tell, got everything finished up, and it's kind of raining a little bit. And like I said, just got everything finished up. Had to put it on my bear skin because it was getting a little cold, and it's just kind of that crappy raininess, that 50, that 50-ish range. And this bear skin, by the way, it's awesome. Anyway, I'll pop a link, and my affiliate link, by the way, for these. If you want one, grab one. They're great. They're great. Not cheap, but great. But anyway, got these 5 acres here. Hopefully, if it stops raining, we will be able to get a dirt pad put in place. And you can see right through here is where I've got it set up. Hold on. You can see right through here. So let me show y'all. We're hopefully right here. So we're gonna have this house. And what we're gonna do is what sucks is it kind of still slopes. So you have to raise that all the way up to this corner right here. This corner is the highest point, so you have to basically raise everything up to that. Now we can use some of that dirt, but probably I'm gonna have to bring in a lot of dirt, to be honest with you. And that's what's gonna kind of suck, is I'm gonna pay an extra probably $9,000 for the dirt pad, and then we have to get the driveway put in. That driveway that you see way down there cost about $12,000. It was, just regular crusher gravel, whatnot, and it takes a little bit. But I've got some plans. Really great piece of property. So blessed to have it. Let me show you guys this. So behind us, there's 50 full acres. Beside us here is 20 acres. And we have this 5, and there's a neighbors in front of us, way down there. Now they have about 7 that they just mowed. There's neighbors over here. And now beside us here is a big old field. And again, it's grown up with cedar trees. And that's probably what we'll do down here is we'll just put a row of, like a big fit row of cedar trees. And if we get neighbors here, we'll do the same thing. So, easy way to do it. But that's where we're at right now. Pray that we sell the house. We've got it under contract, which got the appraiser coming tomorrow. Hopefully it'll appraise for what we're asking, or what we're selling it for. And then we're in an apartment, and we're going from about 1,300 square feet to 800 square feet. Now let me tell you, this is stressful. This part of the process has been a lot of showing the houses, my house, making sure it gets sold, not killing my wife not killing me. It's been rough. It's been really rough. So, but if we can get this done, then we'll go ahead and we'll start the process with Summertown metals and whatnot, and I'll bring you through that. But as of right now, here's where we're at. I spent 3 hours mowing 5 acres. It's probably not the greatest thing to do, but that's what I did. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is TCARP signing out.